It's Merlene. Today I have three good friends coming over for brunch, and they've been wanting to eat and have a taste of my sinaing na isda na Arctic char. Arctic char ang ating isda. Thank you very much, Annabelle. This is my last batch, and of course, it won't be sinaing if we have this dried kamiya. So thank you, Gloria Lapus of Whitehorse. Tingnan mo, puro imported from Whitehorse from my good friends. Okay, now what are we going to do? First thing is about layering again. Layering. There's no right and wrong. Yan yung mga ingredients natin. First, I would put some dito, no? Kanya-kanya ng trip lang yan. I have that onions dun sa bottom. Then I will put a bit of my garlic right there, no? And then the next layer, the next part of my layer would be this, the pork. Remember the last time I cooked this like 2 days ago, wala akong pork because my guest is not eating itong meat na to. So, pescatarian siya, that's why I did not put any pork. But today, I hope my 3 guests will be eating, and I hope they eat pork, okay? Because I'm putting pork belly. Take a look. This is really original. Take a look. This is so fun. Interesting, right? So I will put that one there. And another one, yeah, no? So what is our next layer? Our next layer would be the fish. Arctic char. Normally, ang sinaing, they're using either galunggong or what's the other one? Sinaing na something, ano, yung kamag-anak ng galunggong. Sorry, I'm not really very good with fish kasi kami limited yung growing up, limited yung mga pinapakain na fish ng nanay ko sa amin, no. We just eat yung mga regular na fish. Anything na hindi niya kilala, kailangan ipakilala muna kay nanay because she doesn't eat any fish aside from I have to do something different dito because I would like it to be yan, yung skin nasa taas. I would prefer that. No, yan, no? So, no right and wrong. These are my last batch of Arctic char from my dear friend Annabelle. Mahal kaya itong mga Arctic char na to actually. No? Kaya hindi pa ako magkaka-Arctic char kung di pa ako bibigyan ng mga friends ko nang ganun kadami, no? So, Annabelle, sorry, I'm telling the world about your generosity towards your ate. You're so sweet. I love my friends. I have lots of good friends over the years, no? Ang ganda kapag madami kang mga kaibigan na mababuting tao. It enriches your life, di ba? And I am really happy and feel so blessed because there are lots of good people around me. And you will be wondering like why there are good people around you, because I don't connect with bad people. That's the secret only, di ba? And of course, as I've mentioned, this will never be what is this again? A sinaing. Mind you, the first time I heard sinaing is from my friend from Yellowknife, no? Si Raquel Borrero. Raquel Borrero introduced me to this sinaing years back, and I didn't know about it. I was thinking, is it the rice na sinaing na fried rice? So interesting ba? Di ba kaming mga Kapampangan, when you say sinaing, we're talking about sinaing na rice, di ba? But then, sa Quezon Province pala, iba pala yung no? Iba pala yung sinaing. Not every sinaing is rice, di ba? I'm washing again my hands, okay? Washing again my hands. So I can hold my asin. Yan, itong salt. Of course, dito I have to put salt. Kasi wala naman na tayong next na broth or anything except for water later, okay? I will put salt handsomely kasi hindi naman masarap yan kung matabang. Kung matabang, hindi masarap. No? Kaya, we'll do that. Thank God, malapit ang aking tap. Yan, no? So, the next thing na ilalagay ko dyan is water, no? Water lang, up to the brim, up to the top of the fish. Yan lang. And then I will start that slow cook until everything is so good. And then you'd be surprised, napakasarap niyan. Especially yung pork. It really enhances the flavor of everything. It's like a concoction of something good. And this will not happen without each other. So combination of, I don't know, para kang gumagawa ng experimental na something, di ba? Pero the dried kamyas is really a very big thing dito. I cannot do sinaing without this dried kamyas, no? And the other thing that we will serve our friends is, of course, this has just started simmering. This is Chef G's adobo. Yan. So, he started this adobo. Madami pang sabaw yan, pero mamaya pa kasi yung brunch. Kaya later again, we will serve this dry too. Okay? Have a good day, guys. I'll show you later our finished product, okay? Bon appetit, cheers, and have a blessed day. Bye. Hugs.